Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into some of the best Amazon finds that will make your kitchen life so much easier. From meal prep to cooking hacks, I've picked out gadgets that are both smart and practical. And the best part? You don't need to waste time searching. I've already added all the product links in the description. You can check them out at any time. Let's get started. Collapsible BBQ Prep Tub. This is the Collapsible BBQ Prep Tub. It's one of those genius products you didn't know you needed. It's not just a tub. It's a full meal prep station with a cutting board, locking lid, and enough space to marinate your favorite meats or veggies. If you've ever struggled with messy marinades or running out of counter space, this solves that problem instantly. You can chop, season, and store everything in one container. Plus, since it's collapsible, it saves a ton of storage space in your kitchen. Whether you're grilling outdoors or prepping meals for the week, this tub keeps everything neat, fresh, and ready to go. Definitely a must-have for anyone who loves barbecues or organized meal prep. Immersion Blender Handheld Set. This is the Immersion Blender Handheld 5-in-1 set. If you're tired of bulky blenders taking up space, this little powerhouse is your new best friend. It comes with a chopper, whisk, and frother, which means you can blend soups, whipped cream, chop veggies, or even make your morning latte frothy, all with one gadget. The variable speed trigger gives you full control, so whether you want a smooth puree or a light mix, it handles it. It's corded too, so no worrying about batteries dying mid-recipe. This is one of those tools that makes cooking not just faster, but also more fun. Great for quick smoothies, sauces, or even baby food in minutes. Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. This is the Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker with timer. It's a lifesaver for busy mornings. You can make 2 custom sandwiches in just 5 minutes. Just layer your bread, eggs, cheese, and toppings, and this machine does the rest. No more juggling multiple pans or waiting forever for breakfast to be ready. The built-in timer makes sure everything is cooked perfectly, so you can grab your sandwich and head out the door. It's also super easy to clean, which is always a win. Perfect for families, roommates, or anyone who loves a good homemade breakfast but doesn't want the hassle. It basically turns your kitchen into a mini cafe. Easy Egg Electric Cooker. This is the Easy Egg Electric Cooker that can cook up to 7 eggs at a time. Whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled, this machine takes the guesswork out. Just add water with the included measuring cup, press a button, and it shuts off automatically when the eggs are ready. No more standing over the stove or worrying about overcooking. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for quick breakfasts or meal prep. If you eat eggs regularly, this little cooker will save you time every single morning. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. This is the Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. It instantly upgrades your dining table. Instead of manually grinding, these shakers work with just the push of a button. They're battery-powered, adjustable for different coarseness levels, and even have built-in LED lights so you can see exactly how much seasoning you're adding. Perfect for cooking in dim light or even outdoor BBQs. With their sleek design and larger capacity, you won't have to refill them constantly either. If you've ever wanted a touch of luxury in your everyday meals, these grinders do exactly that. They're practical, stylish, and make seasoning almost effortless. Measuring Cups and Spoon Set. This is the Measuring Cups and Spoons set with stainless steel handles. Cooking and baking is all about precision, and this set makes it super easy. The cups and spoons are stackable and nest neatly, so you don't have clutter in your drawers. The stainless steel handles feel sturdy and durable, unlike the flimsy plastic ones that bend over time. Whether you're measuring flour for baking or spices for cooking, this set has all the sizes you need in one place. It's also dishwasher safe, which means less cleanup for you. Simple, reliable, and built to last, it's one of those must-have essentials every kitchen should have. Fruit Slicer Banana Cutter. This is the Fruit Slicer Banana Cutter. It may look simple, but it saves so much time. Perfect for bananas, strawberries, boiled eggs, or even hot dogs, this gadget slices everything evenly in one quick press. No more uneven cuts or sticky fingers. If you're making fruit salads, snacks for kids, or prepping toppings for desserts, this cutter makes it quick and easy. It's also safer than using a knife, which makes it great if kids are helping in the kitchen. It's lightweight, easy to wash, and small enough to tuck away in a drawer. Sometimes the smallest tools can make the biggest difference. Onion Holder for Slicing. This is the Onion Holder for Slicing. It's a total game changer if you struggle with chopping onions evenly. The stainless steel prongs hold the onion steady while giving you perfect guidelines for your knife. That means no slipping, no uneven cuts, and most importantly, less chance of cutting your fingers. Plus, it keeps your hands away from that strong onion smell, which is a huge bonus. You can also use it for slicing tomatoes, potatoes, and other veggies. It's small, simple, but makes your prep work way faster and safer. Honestly, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever chopped onions without it. One-touch electric can opener. This is the one-touch electric can opener. This one is especially useful for seniors or anyone with arthritis. With just one button press, it opens almost any can size. No twisting, no sharp edges, no struggling. The opener automatically locks onto the lid, cuts smoothly, and shuts off when it's done. It's small, battery-powered, and easy to store in a drawer. If you've ever had to wrestle with a stubborn can, this takes all the frustration away. It's not only practical, but also makes cooking much more accessible for everyone in the family. Stainless steel bench scraper and chopper. This is the Good Grips stainless steel bench scraper and chopper. If you love baking or cooking, this tool is essential. It helps you cut dough, scrape sticky flour off your counter, and even chop herbs or veggies with ease. The stainless steel blade is sturdy, while the wide handle makes it super comfortable to use. You can also use it to scoop up chopped food and transfer it straight into your pan. No more messy hands or multiple trips. Bakers especially love it for keeping their work surface clean and shaping dough perfectly. It's one of those tools that feels simple, but makes your kitchen tasks much smoother. Dolphin Boiled Egg Holder. This is the Dolphin Boiled Egg Holder. At first glance, it looks like a cute dolphin design, but it's actually a super handy 3-in-1 gadget. It works as a rack for boiling eggs, a serving tray, and even a storage holder. It can hold between 5 to 10 eggs at a time, keeping them steady while they cook so you don't end up with cracked shells. Once they're ready, you can just lift the whole rack out. No more fishing for eggs with a spoon. And when it's not in use, it doubles as a fun way to serve eggs at breakfast. It's one of those little things that make cooking easier and your kitchen a bit more cheerful. Silicone Pasta Strainer Clip-On. This is the Silicone Pasta Strainer Clip-On. It's one of the smartest kitchen hacks on Amazon. Instead of juggling a big colander, this strainer clips directly onto your pot or pan. Just tilt and pour. Your pasta or veggies stay inside while the water drains out. It's made of heat-resistant silicone, so it's safe to use even with boiling water. Plus, it takes up almost no space compared to traditional strainers. Whether you're cooking pasta, rice, or steamed vegetables, this saves time, saves space, and makes draining super easy. Once you try it, you'll never go back to a bulky colander again. Vegetable Chopper and Mandoline Slicer. This is the Vegetable Chopper and Mandoline Slicer, which is like having a mini prep station in one tool. It comes with multiple interchangeable blades so you can chop, dice, slice, and even julienne veggies in seconds. No more spending forever cutting onions, cucumbers, or carrots by hand. Just push down and you get perfectly even pieces every time. It's especially great for meal prep and saving time in the kitchen. The container underneath catches everything, which keeps your counters clean. If you cook often and want to cut your prep time in half, this gadget is worth every penny.